Achieving this objective needs persistence, moderation, and a thorough understanding of economics, even though the ambition to become a billionaire is prevalent. If you want to succeed financially, you need to quickly acquire these 7 billionaire skills. Number 1. Understanding of finance. If you want to become a millionaire, you must have a firm understanding of how the financial system operates. The management of your money, investments, and debt must therefore be a skill of yours. Number 2. Identify goals. The desire and motivation of millionaires is typically very high, and they frequently define and pursue very clear financial goals. In order to achieve long-term success, this calls for concentration, restraint, and a willingness to make compromises now. Number 3. Control over risk. The importance of risk management in their investments and financial decisions is understood by millionaires who have achieved success. They consider the benefits and drawbacks of each option carefully before making a decision. Number 4. Communications. Success in every industry, including being wealthy, depends on developing solid connections and partnerships. Your chances of reaching your financial objectives more quickly increase if you surround yourself with like-minded people who can provide encouragement, direction, and assistance. Number 5. They are creative with an idea. When it comes to making money and building wealth, millionaires frequently use unconventional thinking. They might establish their own company, make investments in developing areas, or come up with other novel income-generating ideas. Number 6. Persistence. Perseverance and the capacity to keep pushing forward in the face of difficulties are prerequisites for becoming a millionaire. Successful millionaires are not easily discouraged and are prepared to invest the time and energy needed to achieve success. Number 7. Continuous learning. The last argument is that prosperous, successful people never stop learning. To remain competitive, they keep up with the most recent financial trends, look for new opportunities, and constantly enhance their knowledge and abilities.